Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window.
Open properties of File Explorer. Then we need to check the system type of our operating system or machine. Again, go back to search bar, open Google Chrome and type vc runtime 140.dll and click on the first link. Just scroll down. As per our system type, download file, click on show in folder, right click on it and extract the file. Now we need to copy this file. Go back to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder. Now search for this folder, open it and just right click and paste that file here. Replace it and click on continue. Once done, close this all windows. In Google Chrome, open new tab and search for msvcp 140.dll file. Again, as per our system type, we need to download the file. Extract this file now and copy this file. Again, go back to C drive, open Windows folder, then open this folder and paste that file here, replace and then click on continue. Again, close this folder. On Google Chrome, type Visual C++ runtime all in one and download its file. Click here to download. It will take some time to download, so wait for it. Once done, click on show in folder. Simply right click on it and click on extract. Okay, Now just double click on this file, select as, and complete the all installation process.
Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.